Welcome to my personal progress website. This is a website that I created to help other young women and women understand the personal progress program. I also wanted to give others the opportunity to experience my journey through words and pictures and kind of see the value projects that I'm working on or have completed. And really my goal here is to help others become more accountable and motivated in their personal progress journey. As you can see, the design of the website is really targeted towards women and young women, and that's why I chose a very feminine design and added the blossoms in the background. The color scheme that I chose was based on that as well. I wanted it to be very feminine, so I chose the yellow and the pink, and those contrast each other very well. I also put the dark text on there so that it would stand out apart from those other colors that I chose. On here you can see on each website I wanted to create unity by adding a picture and a quote, and then just kind of a little thing discussing what each page is about or going over exactly what is on the page. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour here. On the About page, goes over what personal progress is and the bullet points on that. Who can participate in personal progress? How much time it'll take? My personal journey goes over why I started this journey. I didn't ever finish personal progress when I was a young woman, so I'm grateful for the opportunity to do so now, as I'm a Beehive advisor, and I want to set a good example as well. And then each of these individual pages, they talk about what I'm going to work on, and each of them have that as well as a picture and a quote that is about each particular value. So you can see the unity between those as well. On the bottom navigation, you can go back to my home. You can go to my practice files over the semester, the style guide, which talks about the purpose, the target audience, the sitemap, wireframes, my color scheme, the typography, the navigation, as well as the figure and my references. And the last one is my contact page if you want to get a hold of me. So there it is. That's my personal progress site. Probably the hardest thing was just kind of figuring out how to come up with this idea on paper and then make it happen. It was probably the hardest thing for me to execute the design that was in my head, as well as the most fulfilling, and I really did learn a lot about HTML and CSS and overall design. So thanks so much.